Alright, so welcome back. We got more stuff. Finally got the pipe I've been waiting for. So we can get rocking on where this stuff goes and all that fun stuff. So, essentially to start off, I'm probably going to make some room down here and finish up modifying this firewall here, and we can get going from there. Alright. Alright, so you can see I've been at it here, grafting that piece back together. I've got just a few more, probably another hour worth of welding with it, but that's kind of the gist of it. And I'll hit that real quick here, and that way we can carry on with some more entertaining stuff here. And yeah, hopefully we'll get somewhere good. Alright, there's the final fit and finish on that. Well, not really fit and finish, but this used to be touching the back here, so we gained all that space, and our end here used to be touching there. We got enough space to get a hose down there. We can get another hose there. So I think we're ready to grab some pipe and start seeing how we get it fitting in here. But I guess before we do that, we need to cut this just a little bit bigger to make sure we have enough room. So first phase is right here. We've got our straight pipe that we got there, switch down to a 90. That way it goes around everything there and down here. So now that we're down here, we pretty much need another 90. That brings us right about up there. So I'm thinking for those 90s, let's see, think we can make use of a U-bend. Slice the U-bend in half. That should be about the 90 that we need. I'll go test fit this thing and see what we end up with. Alright, well, we are not doing too bad. We've got that chucked in there. Comes down here. Jimmy's around here and into there. So far, so good. We're gonna have to come in here and clearance this little spot here just a little bit. Make sure we have enough room for clamps and such. Then we'll be sitting pretty good. There should be enough room for the tire up there. We'll have to throw that on, double check, but I think we're getting there. Alright, well, I've been hitting it pretty hard here off camera. Got a lot of stuff to do, finishing up on the foundation outside, so I barely had enough time to get anything accomplished. But we got our pipes, one there, set there, up around there. We're kind of all plumbed in. It's looking pretty neat here. So we're sitting pretty good. And the biggest thing is we can grab our hood and it shuts perfectly. So everything fits under there, full stealth-like. So that's pretty darn good. Looks like I need to do some adjusting of these fenders, but anyways, let's go take a little closer look. Alright, so it's definitely nothing special, especially with these China sleeves. It's like these other elbows that we got here and there with the red band, those are a heck of a lot thicker. Those things are probably like a 7-ply, where these are barely a 4-ply. But I don't know. Hopefully we're low enough boost on that thing to not worry. We've got an awful lot of couplers, but I think that kind of gets us where we need to be. Still have a little bit of clearancing got to do down here to give that a little more room so it doesn't wear through the hole. And yeah, that's looking pretty nice. Kind of ended up that I still can reach the oil cap. So it's a pretty tight fit, but we can make it work. All in all, I think we are getting there pretty quick. I mean, really, what else do we have? We need fuel and to finish hooking up my little PCV cans, and we'll pretty much be done at that point. Or at least to the point that we can fire her. So, I think I'm going to have to start checking to make sure I have enough pennies saved up for a Terminator ECU. Excellent. Alright, so before I go for the day, let's throw the bumper back on. And hopefully, if I did this correctly, everything should just fit right in. All right, there we go. Well, one way or another, that thing actually kind of works. All right. Get our El Cheapo grill up here. Alright, looking pretty clean. Alright, so we're looking pretty good here. We got pretty much all that squared away. Everything's looking pretty nice. Our wonderful piping, you can see here, all nice and shiny. So, hopefully that'll get us going for a little further. I'll eventually have to tear all those apart, and there's some of them that I cut that I'm going to have to put a bead on just to make it so they don't pull apart. But this should be enough to hopefully fire it, and I can be working on those pipes there as we got like drive shafts and axles to send out for build. So we are getting there, but the big dollar items are still flowing in. So unfortunately, that's going to take some time. But we are going to be definitely considering it done for today. So thanks again for stopping by and watching, and hopefully I'll see you later.